Every program you run uses a piece of your computer's resources, and managing them keeps things smooth. In this video, we will explain how to manage running processes in Windows. The main tool for this is the Task Manager, opened quickly with Ctrl-Shift-Escape. When it opens, click the Processes tab. Here you see every app and background task currently running, along with how much processor, memory, and disk each one uses. If your computer feels slow, sort by CPU or memory to spot which process is hogging resources. Found a frozen or greedy app you do not need? Click it and choose End Task to close it immediately. Be careful, though. Avoid ending Windows system processes you do not recognize, as that can cause instability. The Details tab shows even more technical information for advanced users. The Performance tab gives you live graphs of your system's activity. Checking the Task Manager regularly helps you understand what your computer is doing. With this knowledge, you can keep your PC responsive and quickly handle any program that misbehaves.